Okay, this is issue 16, stage 58. We're bringing it to a close. So let's get busy on the Ecto build. Okay, so I had done some modifications beforehand. I painted this with gold leaf. So spray painted it with gold leaf. All my parts are pre-painted. Want to make sure y'all know that. I took 10 screws and I made them gold. And we're going to be using some silver to kind of this is from my Ecto-1 suggestion, and I liked it, so I went ahead and done it. It was something. Let me just say that. Yeah. Don't have my little airbrush, so I had to do it the old-fashioned way. And sometimes it's good doing it the old-fashioned way. Yeah, but let me. You can see the little gold colors a little bit better. I'm trying to get the lighting better, but there we are. So, kind of got the overhead camera right now. You can kind of see what we're doing. You see my other camera in there. We'll use the side camera in a second. Go ahead and switch over to the side camera. Okay. So, the white blonde the heck out of me. So here we go. We're going to be assembling this. And we're going to be doing some more modifications to it. All right, we did that. All right, listen. Okay, we got the gold Sharpie, the bronze, and we need to get the bronze and the silver. Okay. Now, metallic bronze. Okay. Now, where did that go to? Here we go. Okay, before you put these, well, let me get them right. I'm going that little window just like this, so I want to make sure I put it right. So with the holes facing down, okay. This one's going to be bronze, and the other two are going to be silver. Okay. That's with the holes facing you, so this one's bronze. Come up with some good ideas over there in the My Acto build. That's a good one. Ready? That's the bronze one. Grab that. Oh, don't put the caps back on. Sit over there like my daughter says, and then I'm gonna have them. Yep, that's it. Touch it. That's good. Mind the camera. Okay, I want to make sure I stay in that camera. Don't let get off that camera. I don't mean to. How's y'all's New Year's going? I hope everything's going okay. That's when this video should be uploaded after the New Year starts. $2023. Whew. Yeah. Time flies. Time does fly, folks. Okay, now we're going to be putting this in with a little 2 kp screws. Okay. Oh yeah, should have known that. Those are the ones I just did. 2 right there in the front of it. 2 kp screws. Right there. Just like that. That's why I'm painting them gold so they look like that. Take my little eyeglasses off. Start them. Okay, grab the other one. Okay. Really? That's how that fits. Okay. Alrighty, 2 kp screws, right? Good. Get the gold marker, gonna touch that up a little right there. Just want to put that in. Okay, good. Alright, so that's that. We'll put that on the side. Cruising on down for our little piece now. This little piece here. Now for this piece, it's recommending, which goes right here at the top of this. So well, how would you like to? Okay. I know you go on there. I guess the pink kind of got you. We'll get you on there. Alright, so I'm going to mark it according to the directions of my Ecto-1. This one's silver. And the next one's silver. Like that. And then it says this one's bronze. This one's bronze. And then this one's silver. You want the gold mixing in there with it. That's part of the they said on there that you want to do. So we're going to go ahead and you only have to do one end because you're not gonna see the other side. I got to do one side. You kind of want to just blend it in with the gold leaf. Just have it like that. And that's silver. You kind of just want to, that's when you painted it gold, so you kind of like mix the colors. So it's not going to be perfect. You don't want it to be perfect because in the other one, the original Ecto, they're saying it wasn't perfect color. Sure wasn't all silver. Alright. There we go. Okay, good. Now that's done. Now we can put it in. Break it. It's going in. I'm just having a little rough time. The last thing I want to do is break it. It seems to be a little bit tougher with the Okay, good. Okay. All right, it's in. Whew. That took a little bit of manpower. I painted those things. I should have sanded it down before I put it in there. Shoulda, woulda, and coulda. That's the story of my life. Okay. Now, these three, just like that, it just snaps in and it doesn't, we're not bolting anything yet. It just going to be loosely fit right on there. Okay. Oh, that's what it's telling me. I was wondering what it was trying to say. The top portions of this, get the bronze out. Couldn't figure out what it was trying to tell me. You're just going to tell these things on top bronze. Just the top. I'll at least tell it. Okay. That's in there like that. Let's see. I want the side pieces like right here. I want this kind of bronze too. Side piece of little bronze here. And then over here. All right, good. All right. And this one here, little piece there, that's going to go at the top. Okay. So if you're looking at this little round piece here, it's going to go like that at the top. Make sure that lines up. Nope. This goes on that side. No. Let me look at this. Hold on a second. Make sure we get this right. Okay. Just like this, the three holes are going to line up. And we're going to secure them with 3 KP screws. And 3. Okay, good. Go back and touch them up with the gold. Okay. And then we go on the other side. And we do the same thing. With 3 KP screws. Hold the phone, hold the phone. We almost forgot to put, oh, see? I saw it. Forgot to put this in there. That would have been awful. That would have been really awful. It almost happened though. But it didn't. But it came close. Let me tell you. That was close. Almost forgot to put that on there. I'm like, wait a second. What's that extra piece for? Look at that. And again, just touching up the gold. That's how it looks, just like that. Doesn't it look cool? What does to me? Yep, just like that. That's it with those modifications. Now, I'm going to be attaching it. I'm going to go ahead and put up all the little marks-a-lots. Okay. We're going to be securing this with 2 IP screws. Now, let's see, make sure we get this orientated right. The little round size this way, and this, the little, I'll show you. Make sure the square brackets are like the little round rods, they're facing in the back. This little round circle facing towards front of you. And then at the bottom, we're going to secure it right here with 2 IP screws. Where did my IP screw? But that's okay, because God knows I got enough IP screws left over. I got a slew of IP screws in this box. So, I'm trying to not let go of the part. I get one of these IP. I almost cut my finger. I almost witnessed an accident right there. It was real close. And by the grace of the good Lord, I guess it didn't happen. Thank you, God. I would hate to have cut my hand. I'm getting so close to bedtime. Okay. Put these away. Okay. All right. 2 IP screws. Okay, that's that. That's issue 16, number 58. Hey, I hope you like what you saw. If you do, please hit the like button. Want to see more of my builds, hit the notification. If you haven't subscribed, I really wish you would consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Until next time, may the good news be yours.